is my fraction? Okay, this is my answer. We need to find the original fractions. Now, does it make sense to you? Basically, what I'm going to do is take all the factors of the denominator and make a fraction out of each. This one is simple because it's factored for you. One of them is going to be 3x plus 1, and I'm going to add it to something with a denominator of x plus 4. Does that make sense to you? Because that would give me that final answer denominator. So what I don't know is what this numerator would be or what this numerator would be. So I call those A and B because that's what I want to find. All right? Now I get a common denominator with these two. Would it be this one? Right? So what should I multiply my A by to have that denominator?
X plus 4.
So I have AX plus 4A. I multiplied A by X plus 4. Plus, because I have a plus between them, what would I multiply my B by?
3x.
Do you all agree? So I have 3bx plus b. Now, what that has to equal is this numerator, doesn't it? So this has to equal negative x plus 18. Okay. Are you with me what I've done?
Somewhat, sure.
All right. Now, look at what is in front of the x's on the left side of my equal. On this side of my equal, what's in front of the x? So an a plus 3b has to equal what's in front of the x on the other side of the equal sign. What is that in front of the x? So a plus 3b equals negative 1. You agree? What's not with an x on the left is 4a plus b, right? What would it have to equal? 18. Agreed? Now, look what I have. I have two equations just like we did yesterday.
Oh my goodness.
Don't I?
That was absurd. Okay.
What letter would you like to get rid of?
The A's.
By multiplying the top equation by?
Negative 4.
So negative 4a minus 12b equals 4. And 4a plus b equals 18. Agreed? Negative 11b equals 22.
So B equals -2.
B is negative 2. Okay. Oh, we're going to pause here just a minute. You agree? How could I find A?
Plug it into
Into one of these two? Can I plug it in
A plus 3.
4.
the top one?
Yeah.
A is 4. A minus 6B
Oh, that's not right.
equals, no, A minus 6 equals negative 1. What is A?
5.
So now I know A and B. What is my answer?
5/3x+1
Plus,
-2/x+4. That's a lot.
and that was my original problem.
Should we do solve for x? No, Martha, it's okay. Go ahead and solve for x right here.
It makes sense if you said 3x+4 times 2 is 5x+4. Is that the thing that you have the right you get negative?
All right, are you okay with this?
Yes.
So
I would like to do one that's a little bit harder.
Sure.
All right, I'm going to tell you these can get mega hard, but we're not going to do that.
No.
Okay.
We're not going to go that far in it. All right, a little bit harder. This time I have negative x squared, but,
It takes up a lot of room.
oh well, it's okay. Negative x squared plus 3x plus 8 over x cubed plus 4x squared
Oh, we got to factor.
plus 4x.
I don't know how to factor that, but
All right. Lily's right. We've got to factor the denominator. What can I factor out?
should you take out x
X.
and then do the what's it called?
Then I have x squared plus 4x plus 4.
And you split that.
No, I don't want the answer. I need a factor.
Oh.
What multiplies to 4 and adds to 4?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
What is that?
2. 2.
So x plus 2, x plus 2. Now when I set up my fractions, I have to use all my factors, okay, that could have made it work.
So is there going to be 3?
Yes, a over x, you agree x is one of them, plus b over x plus 2, could that be a denominator?
Yeah.
Plus c over x plus 2 squared.
What?
Because I have 2 of them. So this could have been an original denominator, couldn't it?
But don't you already have an x plus 2?
I don't have, but I have a squared. Could I have just added this one and this one and got that denominator? So I have to use every possibility for a denominator. Okay. What do you mean to say?
Now we only have 2 problems for the easiest ones. That'd be nice. Or 4. I'm okay with 4.
Is there a positive just putting x plus 2 squared rather than x squared plus 4x plus 4?
Yes. I could have put x squared plus 4x plus 4. I just left it factored. Now, this right here is my denominator, right?
Yeah.
So what is the a missing, or what is missing for this fraction?
X plus 2 squared.
X plus 2 squared,
Yeah.
which is actually
So it would be ax
a
plus,
times x. Is it this?
yeah.
Okay. Right?
Should we go ahead and distribute or?
Well, I didn't want to do too many steps at once. All right? Now, what is
X squared plus 6.
okay, b times x squared plus 2x? What about c? just an x?
Yeah.
You all agree?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
And what is this equal to? My numerator,
Negative x plus 3x plus 8.
negative x squared plus 3x plus 8, right? Okay, guys.
The x squared has
Well, okay, but first of all, I've got to simplify this, right? So I have ax squared plus 4ax plus 4a plus bx squared plus 2bx plus cx equals negative x squared plus 3x plus 8. Right?
I'm a little confused. How did you get the x squared plus 2x and then cx?
How did I get this? This had an x plus 2, and I needed another x plus 2 and an x. That's what was missing between this one and this one.
Yeah.
What's missing here is just the x.
Okay. Oh, so, okay, that makes sense then.
All right, you all with me? What's in front of x squared? So a plus b equals negative 1. Agreed? What's in front of x?
4a plus 2 and b
Wait a minute, 4a plus
2b
2b, and that has to equal 3. What doesn't have an x? 4a? So 4a equals 8. Well, that's nice, because a is 2, right? Now, if I know a,
We should solve for the a plus b.
I can find b. Can't I?
Yeah.
What is b? If I know a and b, I can find c, because I have 8 minus 6 plus c equals 3, right? 2 plus c equals 3. What is c? 1. So, what is my answer? 2 over x, right? Plus negative 3 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2 squared. Does that make sense? It's a lot. But it's not much new. A lot of it you're using what you've used in the past, right?